Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's market update for January 2021, we are covering Wood County Southeast. That's MLS Area 57 and includes everything south of US 6 and east of State Route 25. When we look at the numbers for this geography, not a whole lot is going on. I mean, there's literally 2 new listings for the whole month of January, 5 pending sales out of the 2 new listings, and then 4 closed sales. That has improved significantly since the same time last year. But at the end of the day, it reduces the overall inventory of homes for sale from 11 to 6, same time last year. Currently, we're sitting at 1.2 months of inventory. That is not enough, folks. We should be sitting at about 4 to 6 months of inventory in order to be at equilibrium for the market. And what that typically means is when there's such low inventory, we're getting way more buyers than we have sellers. And that's typically reflexive in the price, as you can see here. If you're a seller in this market and you've been contemplating, you've been riding the fence thinking about whether or not it's the right time to sell, I promise you it's the right time to sell right now because you have nobody that you're competing with. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Let's talk about your situation. Let's see if we can make the numbers work for it to make sense for you and your family. This has been Jim T. with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio today. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future input.